Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia classic espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the basket of the portafilter, as the other basket was just spraying all over the place and it was making a huge mess. Coffee will just spray all over here, and it will just shoot throughout there, and yeah, it was bad. So we replaced the portafilter basket, and that's it. So we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the steam. As you can see, steady flow coming out of the machine, not spraying all over the place. Was a bit fast, but really good shot of espresso. Excellent crema, working great. Now the machine is being heated up for a bit. We're gonna be testing out the steamer, and as you can see, steam working excellent. Spray pressure. Working excellent. So there you have it, Gaggia Classic working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.